Okay guys, so today we're going to remove my factory radio and replace it with the joying that I just got. Let me just turn on the lights here. So let me check if I remember how to remove this. Yep, very easy. So I hope I don't mess this one up this time. Oops, good. There's a clip in here, there you go. And this side, there you go. Let me just have to remove the pin. Oh, and let me just get my 10 mil and an extension. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I have my 10 mil in here. So you want to use the one that has an extension so that you can reach the one there in the back. Start with this one. Make sure it doesn't fall. I'm bad with this. I always drop bolts, nuts. So I'm just gonna put them here so don't lose them. Second one's out. Now the one though on the deep part. It's just long. That's weird. There you go. Just pull it in. Okay. Make sure you have a rag. Because you don't want to scratch your thing. Remove the pin. And we'll come back for that. Crazy. I'm having a hard time with it. Okay, so I can pull it out a little bit more. There you go. Now this one. There's some unused harness in here. So wiggle wiggle. Damn, I'm having a hard time on that. Let's try. There you go. Easy. Okay, so I got this one out. So it's made by Pioneer. Made in Thailand. But yeah, so all of these are plugged in except for this one and this one. Yep. Alright. So might have, yeah, it might have some more features on it that's not available on the CHR. Alright, so let me just get the harness, wire this up to see if it's really plug and play, and we'll work from there. Alright. Okay, so I'm back. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pair this one on those. So supposed to be plug and play. Let's see if it's really plug and play. So, oh, it has antenna. Okay. So let me sort this. This is this one, I guess. Yep. Okay, plugs in. And then find this one here, I guess. Upside down. Nope. Nope. Which one is this? Let's see. This one? Yep. That one. So probably there's some harness in here that we're not supposed to use. This one goes here. So it's nice that they have the foam around it to avoid rattles while they're in there. Okay, so is this for this one? Not sure how many wires does it have. There's a lot, but there's only 4 pin. Okay, so I really don't know what I'm doing in here. It's a mess right now. That's okay. We'll clean it up. This one doesn't go here for sure.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
This one looks, it goes here. Yep. This one goes here. I don't know. Let's check. No, this one doesn't go here. So what is this then? Oh, there. Uh-oh. It might not work. So I have, I don't know what that is. So I plug them in. These are the only harness I have. This is for aux in. Man, this one is for what? And this one. So they don't match because this is a lot smaller.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
So it doesn't even go wherever. Yep. Yep. It doesn't go in. So did they mess up? Did they send me the wrong harness? Will this even work? So let me get the head unit. They're back. So okay, I'm back. So there's the SIM tray on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna connect this and figure out from there. Okay, so you just have to match everything out. Which I'm bad at. So this one goes here for sure. It goes in. It's tight. Okay. Really hoping this will work. I did put the right stuff in. Let's put the antenna. I think this is for the USB down there. So there's 2 that want them plugged in. Really hope this is somewhere. So we'll try. Let me get the LCD. Okay, so here's the LCD on it. So again, this is made by Joying. It's a nice build quality. I like it. It's a good weight into it. So it's heavy duty. But again, I'm struggling installing this. It's plug and play. But again, we're hoping that. Okay, so it's on. Okay, right off the bat, speakers volume works, but in the wrong way, so I have to set that one up. But it works, so it has sounds to it. So those are the auxiliary in for the video. So let's check the radio if it has some sounds. Let's try this.
And faith strength.
63.3. Okay, that's loud. Let's try to put it all together. So my factory USB and auxiliary doesn't work. So not sure why, but I guess I know why now. Let me check. No, it doesn't work that way. Yeah, but let me put the stuff in here first, like the USB cable, the GPS. Okay, screen is off. So let's remove that. Put the GPS. The SIM card. Just put it that way. Okay. The antenna. I don't really know where to put this. So I'm planning to use cellular connection, data connection on this one, so I'll put the SIM card. So I have one extra line that I can put in here. Because if I cancel that line, my data plan or my cell phone plan will be more expensive. So I'm just gonna leave it in there. So I'm just gonna test it with this. So I know it's a mess, but this is just for testing purposes. Okay, so now let's see. Oh, the wrong one. So then this is nice. I like it. Okay, so right off the bat it loaded YouTube. So let's see. Bluetooth, okay. Let's check GPS. Let's set Google Maps. Okay. Let's skip that for now. Yep, it's loading. Will it locate me? Okay. So, does it try to locate me? Oh, let's search. Okay, so Starbucks. Search. Where's my GPS? Oh, GPS is here. So, and I'm inside the garage too, so I'm not really sure if it will work well. So I don't think so. But it's still connected to the internet though. So it has that. So it's loading very slow. So probably it's my signal, but it shows there that it has a good signal on it. So let's check. Or some settings. There we go. Wi-Fi says connected. Says excellent connection on it. Let me try the other Wi-Fi. Oops, I don't like that. Let's search for another one. It doesn't have. Okay, well, it kind of work. Let me finish installing this and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I successfully installed this one out last night, and I have to remove everything again because I just need to drive the car today. So I just kind of put it all together. So I still need to clean this one up. I also picked one. I picked a USB retention cable. I hope I bought the right one so that I can use the factory USB cable or USB slot in here. So I have to remove everything, unplug. I need to do something now. So I'm also going to adjust the height of the LCD. So because it's sticking, so I will need to adjust it to make it flush on the top. So let me just remove this. So it's easily removed. So you can unscrew this clips so that I can adjust it where it should be level like that. So alright, so let me remove the panel again. So I don't wanna bore you guys, so I'll cut this one out. Be right back once I remove everything. So if you can see, there's an opening in here which you can buy if you want the Metra dash kits just to close this one out. But if you see, I have cable here. These are the cable for the data cellular antenna. So So there's two of them. I'll show you really before I let you guys go in a moment here. And if you remember, when I'm trying to install this, I'm trying to install the head unit. There's a cable that I thought that I'm missing. It's actually, I forgot, it's for the clock in here. So it's for this piece here. So this one, I thought it's for the stereo. So again, need to tidy this one up. So I just put them in there. There's a lot of space in here. Still have to stick the GPS antenna. I might just do it, put it here in the plastic or in the glass itself. But all right, be right back. Let me just remove this. Okay, so just unbolted this one out. So I have to remove some cable. So make sure you have something. So I just stick the the cellular antenna on the top. So they have a 3M tape on it. So just putting this rag in here. Okay, so now which one? Need to find it. It's messy in here. Now it's bulk because the cables are bulky. So, but everything works on this one. So with this one, you don't really use this. You're gonna need that. So, okay, so I found it. So this is the USB connection or cable that runs through the actual socket in there. So let's try if this fits. If I put it correctly, and it does. All right, so now we have to put this on the USB. Let's make sure it's the right one. So the top one is for the OTG, means on the go. So I'm not gonna use that. I'll be using the other one because, or should I? I think I should just do that. Yeah, I think I should just use that. I know. Yep. So that one needs to go. Now we're plugging in the one that we just bought. Bought it for $11. So, okay. Okay. What else am I gonna do? So that's all I need to do, huh? I think so. Thinking that I'm missing something. So let me just clear that one out. So I just need to remove this from here. So it's a mess in here really. So oh, okay, yeah, I'm gonna test my microphone also because I don't like the external mic. So I will do a test call while it's unplugged. Okay. from here. Okay. So now what we're gonna do next is unplug the microphone, the external one, and try the built-in one. Let me just put this in here. Put the screen back on. I'm gonna call my dad. So, tawagin natin tatay ko. So, I set up the Toyota logo on there. I'll replace this with something else. But it's nice that you'll have the OEM look, except for the Joying logo. But thank you, Joying, for sending this one out for me to try on the CHR, even it's not listed, to work as a plug and play. So I last used this one out on my phone connected to the CarPlay, so we're not gonna do that now, but it's connecting via Bluetooth. My phone is in here, so I'm not gonna do that really. So yep. Okay, because I'm gonna call him using Fiber. He's upstairs, but I'll call him. Oh, he's on a phone call. Let's try. So I'll be using the microphone that's built in on the screen, not the external one. He's not answering. He's upstairs.
Hello.
Hello, Tang.
Oh.
Can you hear me better?
Bagya.
Makanano ya yung...
Kasabi kay ating mong
Wah.
lit-lit eh.
Makanano yung boses ko.
Kaboses na kang kay Rico J.
Ali, masala saya. Normal ya.
Wah.
Is it normal?
Wah.
It's not like under the sea or under the sand or something?
No.
Okay, I'm just trying.
It's like under the table.
Okay. So yeah, so you're in the vlog. All right. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
All right. So it works. So just gonna leave it. All right. So now let's remove. So it's like having a tablet on your dash. So let me just remove this. And I don't like having too much cable, so I have to drop this in there. I don't know, but yeah, I need to drop it somewhere. All right, I'll be right back. Need to grab it on the other side. Okay, so I successfully removed the external mic. So I wrapped this one out through the A pillar on the passenger side. I forgot to test the USB, so let me test it now. So here's my iPod's USB. put it temporarily in there. If I drop it, then sucks. So let's just try if it will charge. Yes, it works. So it charge. That's one important thing that I want. It's for it to charge. It's good. So okay, so let's try this again. Let me turn off my Bluetooth. I'll try if it's gonna be, if it's connecting true. Okay, so I disconnected everything. So if it's via cable, I know sometimes it takes a while, sometimes it's fast. But yeah, so important thing is it's working. I'm gonna just install this one out, finish the installation, clean up the mess in here, and I'll take some good shots and I'll do a review on this particular product. So far it's nice, everything works. My steering wheel control works fine. My overall speaker music experience is a lot better than the factory Toyota one. So you guys that has the 2018 Toyota CHR here in the US, you guys know that our stereo head unit is a little on the crappy side. Alright, so let me just finish this. Be right back. Okay, so it is level now. It's a lot nicer to see. So again, I love this floating design. So let's try this on again. I have to set up my watch. It's 8:54. This is nice. So it might connect to CarPlay again. It might. Not sure. Because my phone is locked. So let's just put 59. Alright. So let's try some FMs. It's nice. I can't really play anything. So now let's try to connect to my Wi-Fi here. Did I press the wrong? Nope, it's not. It's connecting. So there's YouTube. Can actually play YouTube on it on the go. Let me turn it off so that you can see it better. So now I think I put this on the lowest. Yeah, the brightness is all the way down. Yeah, I like it driving at nighttime. So let's play some. So let's just play a short.
Ready? Buckle up.
It's an ad.
You're a superhero, Grandpa.
I love this. It's a lot better. Floating design. I might buy a dash kit trim so that I can So I know the quality is low. Let me check. So it's only on 360p. So let's switch that to 720p.
In a second to get Shannon moving his feet. Ooh, like you said, breaks some ankles, drops him off, and knocks down that 3.
Irving.
This is nice. Let's stop that. Let's put the brightness a little bit up so you can see. So 10.
Doesn't that cloud right there look like a penguin?
That looks just like your house. That's being
I love the
burglarized. They're
picture.
stealing your TV right there.
So it's
Oh,
clear.
and right there, it's a
You really
bear
need
destroying your car.
1080p
You
on a
need
small
vacation.
screen like
You know,
this.
Chris, some of us
It's
don't have houses.
HD already with 720p.
A
So it's
cure
enough.
for a case of the Mondays. It's your
already
NBA.com
nice.
top 10 plays.
So-
Number 10, Daniel telling Maurice
Yep.
Harkless, get it out of my house.
Good.
Daniel House with the big swat
Let
on
me,
Harkless. Who cares if the Rockets have nobody over 6'7"?
So this works to their touch. If they're not responding on your touch, you can actually go to the settings and have it relearned. So if you see that one I'm trying to press, there you go. So not gonna show you really. So let's search. Well, I'm here in Bremerton. So Starbucks. Search for Starbucks. There's my location, of course. Duh. Search this area. So okay, so a lot of Starbucks. Of course, we're here in Washington State. Okay, so that actually wraps this one. This is just my quick installation, which I didn't really show you how I installed it, but it's pretty straightforward. So just plug in all of the stuff in there. You'll see female to male harness, so it's common sense. So with the factory USB, so I bought this Metra or Access, same, AX-TOY USB. That is the model that it shows in here. So it works. So I retain my USB, factory USB in there. And I don't know if the auxiliary 3.5mm jack still works, but I don't really care about that. All I care is about the factory look. Okay, well, I'm gonna go through some more in here. I'm not really gonna let you guys go. If you can see, can you see it? Not really. Let's try that. I don't know. So device. So let's check the GPS. So the signal, it says no signal. GPS status signal. No, whatever. Mode 2. I don't know, because I still have to work on this. And I'm inside the garage. So go back there, GPS. Alright. So auto start navigation. So backlight, it's time controlled. So they're off. Smart light off. I put it on time control, so when it's nighttime they automatically lit up. So I turn off the it's not here, but yeah, so you can change the lantern, which is the lights. So you could put red. I don't know what that is. It looks yellow to me. Then you have white, which looks a little bluish. There's green. I choose blue because my gauges are blue. So there's aqua, there's purple. So let's go back. You can actually put random. So turn it on, then put random. So it will sync or change every time. So I turn that off. Let's just blue again. Exit. Okay, now for the steering wheel settings. So this it. It's very easy. So I already set it up. So it works perfectly. No issue at all. So I have to modify this. I'll make another video on the launcher. So the factory, the password's 3368, I guess. So in here you can view the factory settings. So my next project is actually going to transfer the reverse camera monitor from here to the screen itself. So I set screen. This is for the colors. There's a touch screen calibration. All right, so the panel key learning. So this is what I'm talking about when you're trying to press and it won't respond. So you can just press power and then tap in. It knows where it is. The back button, when you press it, it's there. So it just relearns everything up in here. So 3368. Then the boot logo screen. This is where you change everything. So you can just choose whatever you want. And you can actually take pictures, your own pictures, and they will show in here. So it just says in there, pictures are stored in my car folder, directly folder, blah blah blah. Make sure the resolution is not less than that, so that you can put that in here. All right, now, so there's a front view camera, which just turn it off because I don't have front view camera. Set light enable. Don't know what that is. I'll leave that on. Balance on the volume. I don't know the other stuff in there. 3368, I guess. 3368. I don't know. 000. I don't know what's the password. I have to research on that. Okay. So I don't know. Everything looks okay now. OBD, I still need to buy the actual adapter. I have one right now. It's the Nanda OBD, so I haven't tried that. I'll try that on a later day. So, but everything looks good. So I will modify this. Let's... Alright, well, I'll let you guys go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I hope you enjoy it. I hope this helps. I'll take some nice photos on this one. I think I'm gonna use the car again this weekend. Alright. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.